Hello, I'm Dr. Jimmy Douglas, and today we look into the most common cause of dizziness, that is BPPV, that is benign paroxysmal positioning vertigo. First and foremost, it is important to know that sudden dizziness is also a symptom of stroke, which has to be ruled out with your doctor. It might lead to death or permanent disability if not treated in time. Now, BPPV, benign meaning which is not harmful, paroxysmal means sudden increase or a recurrence of symptoms. Positioning vertigo means vertigo caused due to position of the head. Vertigo is a feeling of sensation of motion when there is no motion, or when there is a small movement, the feeling of an exaggerated sense of motion in response to that small movement. It may be accompanied by nausea or vomiting. In BPPV, the patients suffer recurrent spells of vertigo, often provoked by rolling over in bed. There is a brief latency period before the symptoms develop. That means when the patient rolls over in bed, the symptoms appear after a few seconds after the head is moved. And acute vertigo may last for 10 to 60 seconds, even though the patient may feel imbalanced for several hours. It's important to know that such latency or delay is not seen in central lesions, meaning conditions involving the brain. The symptoms persist for several days, and even though it is not a serious condition, it's a very unpleasant symptom to have, as there is fear in the patient about the loss of balance momentarily, holding on to nearby things for support. The symptoms appear when you look upwards, when you lie down in bed on the back. After a few seconds, you suddenly feel dizzy, or when you bend downwards. The patient may be without any symptoms while driving a car, as long as the position of the head is stable. But it's dangerous to drive the car unless you are free of the symptoms. Causes of BPPV. It is theorized that it is due to free-flowing otoconia in the semicircular canals. Let's see what does that mean. Now, our ear is essential to our sense of balance and is maintained by the vestibular system found in the inner ear. It is made up of semicircular canals, which you can see, and also two otolith organs, namely the utricle and saccule. Both semicircular and utricle and saccule have thin sensory hair cells, but in utricle and saccule, these sensory hair tips have small crystals on them. These crystals are called otoliths or ear rocks. The otolith organs detect acceleration. For instance, when you take an elevator, or fall down, or pick up speed or brake in a car. These crystals are made up of calcium carbonate. It is theorized that when these crystals get dislodged due to injury, infection or age, they tend to get dissolved in the utricle. But before being dissolved, when the patient moves his or her head, the particles tend to stimulate hair-like cells or cilia in the semicircular canals, causing the sensation. If this happens recurrently or often, your doctor would advise MRI to rule out central nervous system disorders. Treatment is aimed at removing free-flowing otoconia in the semicircular canals by physical therapy protocols like the Apley maneuver or Brand-Daroff exercises. So the most common location where the crystals are present are the posterior semicircular canals, and this maneuver helps the crystals to move out of the canal and relieve symptoms. Even without any treatment or intervention, the symptoms tend to go away in days or weeks. So the other cause of dizziness are mentioned in detail in our website erastoworldhealth.com. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.